so breakfast is already done. Pero antes de todo les quiero decir algo. Déjame le bajo a la tele para que me escuchen. So today Manny is gonna take me to the wig. Y pues le voy a hacer un prank. I saw this prank from this girl. Ay, no me acuerdo cómo se llama. I saw it on YouTube. Al ratito les digo cómo se llama, if you want to go check her video. But she pranked her grandma, so le puso atrás it's prank honk, and then to see how she would react. So I'm gonna do that to him. Y como ahorita está dormido, pues por eso les estoy diciendo. And then yeah, so this is breakfast. And then I'll see you guys after, cuando le haga el prank. Hey guys, me acabo de bañar y el Manny he left to go buy some shoes. So ahorita, I'm very like, el tiempo está, no sé si le voy a alcanzar a hacer el prank, just because I do have to go back in the truck and like pegarle el sticker que diga honk. Pero pues un papel, nomás le voy a pegar un pinche papel. Y él va a estar en la troca cuando ahorita me recoja. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try to show you guys. So le acabo de hablar a Manny y ya viene en camino, ni me va a alcanzar a peinar por su culpa. Ay, sí, van a decir, échanos la culpa que eres una floja. Pero, ay, güey, I have to get ready quick. Vamos a ver si alcanzo a... Ay, ¿en qué pinche papel lo voy a hacer? Let me see. Oh, someone. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Espérame. I wasn't even able to do it because he was like outside of the car and he was waiting for me. So it was gonna be obvious, but I'm still gonna try and do it tomorrow. Okay, mantas, so I'm home already, and by the looks of this freaking video, pues ya saben que no pude hacer hoy nada, no le pude hacer el prank a Manny, but mañana voy a seguir tratando. I couldn't do it today because he was like, cuando salí estaba fuera de la troca y pues nada más no. I tried to do it to my dad, but it just didn't work out at all. Like, it was just a fail. Entonces, mañana me voy a poner las pilas y voy a ver cómo le hago, cómo me las ingenio. I think he's gonna go in at 1. Pero no sé qué voy a hacer. No sé, pero no me voy a dar por vencido. Tomorrow I have to do it. Okay guys, so aquí estoy con el Manny again. And pues si es mi viejo ni moco, ¿con quién voy a estar? He's telling me cómo tengo que actuar en los videos. Okay, babe, ¿cómo? You were saying? How?
Because when you record, you do this with your hair. You just grab your hair, you're talking, and and your hair.
You want me to be all this and be like, oh yeah, guys, hoy voy a ir con mi sister y voy a hacer esto y voy a hacer lo otro.
Well, as you're talking, you could be like, yeah, like this.
Oh,
and
voy a ir.
Yeah, like that.
So, ¿quieres que hable así? Sí.
Aquí agarrando el pinche pelo.
So I go like this, you say?
Yeah.
A lot? Es que estoy greñuda. What do you want me to do? I'm just like, me miro en la cámara and I'm like, oh shit, let me hide this right here. Este pinche greñero. That's why. You want me to look greñuda in the videos?
You say you wanted it raw.
It is raw.
Of course you want it raw, but it's I'm talking about the video, like, you want it raw.
Well, I don't get it.
Never mind.
You look like a bad boy with that hair.
I am a bad boy.
Cause it's slicked back.
You know, in women there's bad bitches, but yo soy bad boy.
I thought you were gonna say you're a bad bitch. Am I a bad bitch?
You're my bad, but not a bitch.
Aww. Are they honking at you?
I don't know why.
are they honking then?
There's no weird, like, what's wrong in my car?
¿Quién sabe?
My brakes don't work or whatever.
I thought you fixed the freaking the light.
I couldn't remember porque I had the right screwdriver.
Oh my god.
Estos screwdrivers de estrellitas. Sí, ellos me están también pitando. Oh shit, what the hell I have in the back?
Hmm?
¿Qué es eso? I
Yeah.
got something in the back. Hold on.
No. Just keep driving.
No,
Keep
no,
driving.
no.
I put it there.
¿Qué pusiste?
A paper. Just go.
¿Qué pusiste?
It's a paper that says honk. It was supposed to be a prank, but you wanted to stop in the middle of the freaking freeway. You're calling me stupid?
I said, that's stupid.
Why is that stupid? It was supposed to be fighting because it was supposed to get a reaction out of you.
So I caught it right away.
Fucking papel. Oh my god. Pinche epic fail. But cuidado because my pranks are gonna come stronger now.
If I were you, I wouldn't prank you.
Why?
Because you know how you're scared about being alone at night? I can scare you really
¿Me
bad.
estás amenazando?
I'm just saying that you want to prank me. You're pranking the wrong person.
Well, obviously this freaking prank failed because what's that in the back?
Mira un papel, what is that? Like,
Okay, guys, so this prank freaking failed because Manny se quería parar en el freeway to check what the hell's wrong with his car porque nos empezaron a pitar un chingo. Aw, I wanted to become famous, baby. He just killed it for us. Ay, pinche calor. He's getting annoyed because everybody's honking. They're probably looking at us like, estos pinches locos que están haciendo. ¿Dónde está el pinche papel que se mira atrás? You can't even see it no more. How come you were able to see it earlier? Pinche papel. Me quemó mi prank. Are you mad?